Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you some programs using Word in your computer. So don't worry, because most people have been having challenges on how they can draw, how they can go about it. So today, yeah, just cool and relax as I'm going to show you. Let's begin, guys. So the first thing that you need to do, you have to go to your computer and open the Word. So as for the case of mine, I've opened Word. Then you move to Insert. Then from Insert, then you move to Shapes. Then from there you pick the kind of line that you want to draw. If in case it is just a plain or an arrow, a line that has the arrow, then you pick. So let me pick the one that has got an arrow. Then you start, you move straight, then you draw. Then if you can change the color of your drawings, like let me pick black one, then you move to this other point again. Then from this point, then you select, you continue drawing. So you draw, then so in case that you want to, maybe you want to add some other lines to your drawings, you can still do it. You can still do it. Then you come back here, then you complete the lines with the line that you want to draw. Then now I've come up with a line, or now I have my own graph. So from here you can now save your graph, or you can continue typing wherever you want to be. Thank you. Yes guys, that was all I was for you today. If you have the question, you can just comment below. I'll be able to respond you. So but don't forget one thing, remember to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.